Where's Walter? Where could he be?
Hi everyone! Did you know we host parent engagement workshops? Pew? These workshops are learning opportunities open to all FSDB parents, guardians, and caregivers. During Pew, FSDB staff and parents discuss current and relevant information about the school, parenting strategies, helpful resources, and so much more. Here's Misty, our parent liaison, to tell us more.
Hi everyone, I'm Misty Porter, parent liaison here at Florida School for the Deaf and the Blind. So these workshops are absolutely fantastic. One of my favorite parts is that it's an opportunity for families to come together and meet each other and learn from our amazing staff. We had character education and learned about some of the mental health instruction that's happening on campus. We're really excited, and lots of parents had some great ideas on how parents can work with the school to help support positive behavior support and helping the students create a great character for themselves. Then we learned about the on-campus assessments that happen with our kids here. We also talked a little bit about the new BEST standards and the new FAST assessments that are coming up. Before we know it, it's gonna be testing time again soon. So don't forget to stay tuned and stay in contact with your school to learn more about those. The last part of the day was so much fun. Our literacy and math specialist came in. They taught us all about the new standards that are coming out, and we spent the entire afternoon playing games and having fun and learning about ways to support our children in academic achievements.
I come to the parent engagement workshops so that I can learn different home techniques to help my child succeed here at FSDB. I also come to the parent engagement workshops because our kids are special and we don't get a chance to meet parents of other kids with similar special needs that our kids have. And I really appreciate how over the years I've met parents who are further along in the process or who are have younger children, and just be able to support one another in having the unique kids that we have.
We just had the most amazing workshop, and I wanted to make sure that you know the date so you can join in on the fun. Next Pew is March 10th. Hope to see you next time.
I'm Walter. Next week, where will I be? Tune in to see.